Good morning. Uh, I bought this. Actually, what I'm going to show is the tire hugger that I purchased online. Medyo I like this style. Ito talaga yung hinanap ko, the one with the support dito sa middle. But there's no way to install it. As per the orientation, this should be on this side, no? But there is no mounting. There is no way to mount this bracket here. If ever we could mount it in this portion, there's just one screw or bolt that can be attached, but we need two so the arm will not move around and it would be stable. So they included this other attachment, but even if I install it at the other side, there's no way that the gap here, or the one that where the screw will be tightened, or the bolt is bigger than the diameter of the bolt. So there's no way to install it without adding something here, maybe a flat bar that would attach from this point to this point, and that I will need to attach to this bracket, or maybe here. So my other option is to just refund this, because there's no way I can fit this, although sorry, although I really want this style here. So I don't need to put a tire hugger, but it seems that a tire hugger is not really, or this tire hugger is not really going to be effective, because I cannot install it. So hindi ko siya maikabit. Soli ko na lang siya. So refund na lang tayo. Pero lagi nagfe-fail yung pick up. If ever sana gusto ko siya ikabit. Heavy siya. This one's solid aluminum eh. So almost half inch thick siya, or half inch na talaga siya. So half inch yung kanyang thickness. And it's really nice. It's mabigat siya. The arm is really heavy, and this is just a mere portion of the weight. The whole weight is the arm, no? So sayang. I bought this for around 400 siguro. Anyway, if ever hindi na ma-pick up, I'll just find a way to install it, but we'll see. Okay, just showing you that I don't know if anyone has installed this one sa inyo, if this fitted without any modification. But to the Aerox or to a scooter, I don't think it can be fitted without modification. This is for manual motorcycles where the axle is exposed. Both sides of the axle is exposed because the arm is designed differently, you know. So unlike this one, there's no way to install talaga kahit inverted. Probably sa shock, but I don't know if it you will still need a modification pag sa shock ikinabit na. We'll see. Thank you. Bye.